you have a whole category within the law firm that you put under the umbrella of relocation law.
Yeah.
Which is no longer just about the transaction, is it? What have you seen in 2025 to do with this?
That is a title that I didn't come up with it, but we started to talk about our clients relocating, so it made sense to call it something, and we call it relocation law. So all the legal assistance that we provide to people that are relocating to, in our case, to Spain. So it's not only about buying the property, because these clients have more needs than that, which relates to their business that they want to start, or their tax situation in Spain, versus their previous home country, etc. So it's a more of a holistic approach to the client's relocation, and one part is the real estate transaction, which is the traditional business for lawyers in Andalucia throughout the decades. But at that time, previously, clients here were buying a property and moved on, and maybe 20, 30 years later, they were selling the property, and then perhaps they would call their lawyer to help them to sell the property. Now we have much more a clear reason to have a long-term relation with our clients, because they need more than just a property investment. And we also have much more investors here that so they are individuals coming here to do business, and serious, professional business. And included in that project is also relocation, to this area. They bring their kids over, or they want to start a business, or they're going to keep their business in their home country, and they need a complete tax structure to define their new life. So that's definitely something that we're seeing. And looking into 2026 and beyond, I'm absolutely convinced that we're moving in that direction. And it's natural. People have the chance to move. They can work from home. The technology will only make that easier. People want to live in beautiful areas if they can, where the climate is nice, where the lifestyle is, better than what they have in their home countries. So they will move. They will move to this area. They will move to the Balearics. They will move to Dubai, perhaps, and maybe new spots, will pop up where people will move, and they will need the full package from a legal point of view on how to assist them throughout that. And then we'll find ourselves in this battle, right, between the local and political will, problems with housing, perhaps other kinds of challenges, etc. Infrastructure, and so on. But that's where we are, and that's where we're heading. And I see Marbella as one of the main, let's say, competitors in the chase for relocating clients, globally.
And that's something that we've seen in the market. Agents are now describing themselves as relocation advisors more than estate agents. And the shift in entrepreneurs and investors coming here to do business is something that's been witnessed at the pool Marbella, where there's like a name given as you have relocation law. Yeah. Relocation law is a byproduct of this thing being called Marbella 2.0, which is a sort of new layer on top of the traditional layer of tourism and real estate and nightlife that is coming with Marbella to do business. People coming here to do business, and probably in a hybrid sense where they've moved their families here and they're returning to their home countries, so they're commuting back to work, if you like. That's something we talked about last year, and we've definitely seen that this year.